What's going on, guys? We're playing Thorium on Terraria, and we're doing randomized recipes. I think I have them all working. I think. Oh, I'll be right back. Okay, I did not have the randomizer mod working. Let's see now. Oh, yep. Oh, I think we get that from the starter bag. That's what? Can you guys tell me what this is used for? Because I am honestly confused on what it's used for. Because I honestly have no clue what it is used for. Let's see what we can craft master ninja doors. That's crazy. That is insane. I can get. I guess we can already get upgrades for pickaxe and axe. We can get a red axe and a gold pickaxe. Spooky wings. Guys, these wings are so scary. I didn't even see this before. I could get a base boot. Okay, y'all need to see what this sounds like. This actually sounds cool. Okay, listen to this. Wow. And you guys are probably gonna ask why am I mining the trees so fast? I'll be mining the ground fast. It's because of a quality of life mod. I modded. Oh, I modded the mod, I guess, to make it so I can mine trees and break blocks faster. I've had known. I've had known. I've known to have had bad luck with these trees. Guys, y'all want to play some music? That still sounds amazing. Sorry, y'all. So I might have broken all the trees onto the. And there was a living tree right here, but I destroyed it because why not? So let's see what I can. Yeah, so I got the happy home token. Really haven't. Well, definitely getting the dangerous illuminate bow, and that's just crazy. Yeah, so, and I can mine and break stuff that's far away. Only problem is how am I gonna get a door? Is it corner of the door? No. Where's the doors? So seriously, there's seriously no door. I just no, there's no door. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to go to here. Well, I guess I found my new pickaxe upgrade. Vortex. Even though I can get that necessarily. I'll just look into the crafting recipe, see what I can find. I already have that on. Don't have that. That is the same as that. I had the B grades on. Oh, well, I just found frost sparklers for 1 dirt. That makes sense. Now I'm fast. Meow. And apparently we got the Terrarium longbow. Oh, that's absolutely amazing. Ready? Pew. Oh no, that's his zombie. That's crazy. Got a titanium rifle. That's just amazing. No bullets though. So I guess that's gonna have to wait. Well, I figured out how to make doors. You need rich mahogany. And that's gonna be a problem because I do not know where the jungle is. So let's go find it. Actually, I take back what we said. We're not going to try to go find the responsible environment. We're exploring the underworld or the underground, however you want to say it. Guys, we found our first life crystal. Let's go. Ready? First life crystal of the day. Let's go. Okay, guys, I want to show you how fast I can do that. Ready? No. Wait, okay, look. So look. Now I stopped. Look at that. Like, look at that. That is insane. Oh, I think I found my way down here. Yep, I found my way down here. I think, as you guys can tell, I had a little bit of an adventure. I can't speak for some reason today. Yeah, I had a little bit of an adventure. Right now, I'm just selling my master engineer. I'm crafting, and then I'm selling it to merchants so I can get stuff. I already have that. Let's go to bugging it so I can catch bugs and worms. It's raining. Advantage of that. Well, guys, this is where I'm gonna end this episode. I hope you all have a great day, and I will catch you on the next video. See you later.